Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what are the upgrade option in HP Zbook series. It's a Zbook 8 Gen 11 16 series. So these are the screws need to remove to upgrade. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see inside what are the upgrade option. One slot M.2 NVMe and the second slot also is there, M.2 slot, and this is a memory slot and battery model. You can see WM08XL. This is the battery, and the second M.2 NVMe slot and the first M.2 NVMe slot. Total 2 M.2, and these are the memory slot here. Two memory slot. It comes with one slot is 32 GB and one more slot is empty. So dual slot. This laptop can support up to 64 GB, 32 GB DDR5 5600B memory. So one more memory we are going to upgrade, total 64 GB memory. So memory is upgrading. So these are the upgrade options. 2 M.2 NVMe slot. One size you can see here, this is a 2280 size, and this one is a 2242, and 2242 will fit here, and 2280 does not fit in this size. This is 2280 size. So memory is upgrading now. DDR5 5600B. So total 64 GB. Fix the cap.